How to fix Instagram collaboration problem. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram collaboration problem easy and fast. All what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, as you can see right here, and go to the apps manager right here, and then go to the apps again, go to Instagram. Now as you can see, this is the app informations. Right here you will find all the informations about the app. All what you have to do is simple, just click on the power usage details, as you can see right here. After you click on it, then all what you have to do here is make sure that this option is enabled. If you enable it, then all what you have to do is click on force stop right here, and then go to the Play Store and search for Instagram, and then click here on update to update your Instagram app. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.